back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I am very happy to be participating in a wonderful collaboration that is hosted here monthly by Yami, the Latina next door, and that is the Look for Less challenge for July. Her co-host for this month is Lineap from DIY Beauty on Purpose. And what the ladies have asked us to do is to find a high-end home decor piece and create a dupe. And they want us to show the process and show the finished product and the original and how much we saved. So I will be starting my fall home decor series on August 1st, and I thought I would get a jump start. So today's video, I am going to feature a DIY home decor piece that I will be using in my home for Halloween this year. Now, I created this Halloween piece a couple of years ago, and I have never shown how I created him, but I get a lot of questions when people see it in my Halloween home tour, and they were like, where did you get that wonderful skeleton? Well, I made it myself, and I have saved tons of money. So if you want to see how I created my look for less, keep watching. So the first thing I did was go to Michael's and pick up this medium-sized skeleton. He cost me about $20, and I used a coupon to buy him. Now he is a bit too big, so here you see me cutting him in half. I know it looks gruesome, but believe me, he said he didn't mind. Not really. I used a serrated kitchen knife to cut him in half. So this is what old Charlie looks like after I have cut him in half. Poor Charlie. But now we're going to do something even better for you, Charlie. And here is a look at how Charlie is looking so far. He is getting all glittered up. So stay tuned for the finished product. So this is what our skeleton looks like now, all blinged out. And I need to do a little bit more with him, so stay tuned. Sorry, I'm back. I forgot to show you the pieces that I'm working with. This is a mirror that I got from the Goodwill for $3.99, and all of these pieces are separate, and I am using them in my DIY project. I just hot glued this one on, and here is my inspiration. It is this mirrored piece from Grandin Road that I am trying to recreate. So stay tuned to see if my project comes out as I expect. I just love how Charlie has turned out. He looks so close to the original Grandin Road mirrored piece. I just can't believe it. I think I did an awesome job, and I hope you guys agree. I mean, just look at him. He looks like he's coming out of the mirror. And the way I achieved that look is by using some modeling clay. And I just shaped it on the mirror and stuck his torso in it, so it looks like he's coming out of the mirror. So I have named our skeleton Charlie, and he is on our bar cart. Or actually what I was using for a bar cart a couple of years ago. And I think he looks awesome. So this is how Charlie looks, and this is how our inspiration piece looks. I think our inspiration piece and Charlie look pretty darn close. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. Do you think I nailed the inspiration piece from Grandin Road? That piece was $499, and I made my piece for less than $20. Now you cannot beat that.
I absolutely love Charlie.
Alright guys, so that was my DIY Look for Less for July. I think I did a really good job. I hope you do as well. If you agree, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you stick around and come back because I will be having a fall DIY series, as I said, starting on August 1st. And the first of the DIYs will be for Halloween. So if you liked this video, you are going to love everything else that I create this year. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and stick around so you do not miss those uploads. So I want to thank Yami and Lineap for hosting this collaboration. I will leave a link for the ladies' channels down below, as well as a link for the playlist of all the participants. If you are interested in how my Halloween home tour looked last year, I will leave a link right over here so you can check it out. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.